Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today is, we're going to be checking the spark plugs. You can also replace them if you like at the same time. But in our case, we're just going to be checking them and cleaning them. So on this 2001 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500, you have, 4 spark plugs, right? You have one right here, 1, 2, and then we're going to go on the other side. 3 and 4. Okay, we have very good access to it, right? The tools that we're going to be using today is this is a 5/8 little socket. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of a dielectric grease, and then we're also going to check the gap. All right, so first things first, right? We're going to remove this guy first. Okay, this spark plug. Okay, come on. Okay, it's out. Okay, so before you take them out, I have my air compressor, and I'm just going to blow a little bit of air. Get all the corruption out. Okay, we're good. Okay, next, just going to put this on, and I'm doing it. All right, here we go. Just going to put the cable right here on the side. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put the wrench right here. Okay, and we have the spark plug. And this guy looks like this. It came out. There's a little bit of a grease down here, which is very good. That's what we want. Okay, so now, next, what I want to do, we're gonna come down here, and I'm gonna quickly clean it. So I have my, you can use a wire brush or anything that you need to use. I'm gonna use a wire brush right here. Okay. So this is actually pretty good. Threads are clean, everything is good. Now, by the book, we have the our little book, right? All the manual. So the gap needs to be between 0.031 and 0.035. So I have my little gap right here, and let's just check this spark plug. It's not even 0.20. It's bad. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take this, and then we're just gonna go and expand this a little bit out. Okay, and we're gonna check. Okay, we're at 20. We're at 0.03. Okay, 0.1. Just gonna punch it. Okay, right here. It's in between 0.031 and 0.035. This spark plug is gapped the proper way. Next, what I want to do, right? I am going to go and put a little bit of dielectric grease, and this is the grease that I'm using, right there on the threads. Okay, just a little bit. Also, this grease is good to put on top of your spark plug right here, so it greases everything up. Okay, now all we got to do is now replace it back in. So we're going to put it in, line everything, and then by hand thread everything in. Okay, I'm just going to go and take my wrench. Okay, now by the book, they want to torque this to 13 foot-pounds, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take my torque wrench and put it to 13 foot-pounds. 12, 13. Okay, we're good to go. and we are set. And all we got to do is now replace the cap on top, and then we hear this thing clicking. All right, so then after that, I'm gonna go and do second spark plug, third and fourth, and the procedure is exactly the same. All right, so what you have learned right here in this quick little tutorial is how to check, clean, or replace spark plugs on this 2001 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. And if this video helped you out, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.